Greetings faculty and welcome to another WIS Technology tutorial. In today's topic I'm going to be talking about the iPad classroom. Some of you have expressed some concerns about perhaps teaching ninth grade next year, as we are indeed piloting an iPad program. And I just want to reassure you that there are ways of integrating the iPad into your classroom that are quite simple, using the strategies you're already using in class. And I just want to give you a brief kind of show and tell. I'll show you the nuts and bolts of how this actually works in a later tutorial, but I just want to put your mind at ease that knowing that it's going to be very easy to integrate these devices into your class. Okay, so let's get started. What I'm going to show you is, say for example, you want to lead a See, Think, Wonder thinking routine with your students. Okay. Now, I'm going to open up Google Drive because that's where I have a See, Think, Wonder form already prepared. My recent documents. Okay. Here we are. So, what's neat about being able to do this on the iPad is that students are allowed to zoom in on a particular image. So they might be able to see things that they normally don't see when it's projected on the screen, or they really can't be as intimate with the portrait or photograph. And by the way, images are something new that Google Forms allow you to do. So I've basically created a form with 4 questions and inserted this image for analysis. And I can play with it like this. So basically, picture your entire classroom of students having an iPad. They could very easily go in, put their name in here. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I'm just going to put a man. I think it's early. In the morning. And again, I'm not doing this to demonstrate any profound thinking. I just want to sort of fill in these blanks to show you what happens from this point on. I wonder what year this is. All right, so in a much longer assignment, you could guide your students through this process, and at the end of the activity they would just simply hit submit. But before I press submit, I want you to look over on the left-hand side of my screen. I have my email inbox open, and I want you to watch what happens. The minute I click submit, something interesting is going to happen. Let's wait for it. I might need to refresh. So as you can see, shortly after the students hit submit on the iPad, I have in my inbox a personalized PDF of that student's work. It didn't require me to explain how to make the PDF, how to collect it. Basically, the technology was eliminated from the equation, and now I have a record, a document of the student's thinking in my inbox. And from this point, I can organize and sort it however way I like. So again, this is just a preview of some of what's possible in incorporating iPads into your classroom. So stay tuned for sort of another tutorial that actually goes into the back end of how this is actually possible. Thanks for watching.